It takes a village to execute a full-blown marketing strategy. One marketer can't do it all, and with so many marketing specializations, it can get expensive for businesses to hire experts in all areas of marketing. That's why businesses often turn to agencies that have marketing specialists, developers, designers, SEO specialists, writers, and more. Traditionally, agencies offer retainers a monthly agreement that outlines specific activities and billable hours. At Hivehouse, we've recently launched our on-demand marketing services. These projects are for businesses that need an extra set of hands, an audit, or a second opinion without committing to monthly retainers. Here's what to expect. At Hivehouse, we think about marketing in two parts, brains and hands. The brain is the strategy behind your overall marketing, and the hands are the actual execution of that strategy. As an agency, we do both. We have a team of strategists and specialists here who can strategize and execute from start to finish. But what we found is there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. For some companies, a marketing retainer makes sense, but for others, they don't always need marketing help every month. That's why we created on-demand marketing services. Our project offerings are meant to be flexible so you can hire marketing help when you need it rather than committing to a monthly retainer. Our on-demand marketing services. Hivehouse Digital is a certified HubSpot Partner Agency, so it's no surprise that one of our offerings is the HubSpot Portal audit. If you aren't careful, a HubSpot Portal can quickly get out of control. Bad data, improper tracking, disorganization, conflicting workflows, there are a million things that could go wrong. Our audit is designed to review each section of your account and make recommendations for any issues, gaps, optimization efforts, and more based on best practices that you can implement immediately. The result, a happy marketing and sales team that is using HubSpot how you want them to. Inbound readiness audit. Inbound marketing is a key part of any marketing strategy. You can't just rely on cold calling or conferences anymore. Inbound marketing helps by attracting leads who are interested in your products or services. Our inbound readiness audit identifies gaps and opportunities to improve your inbound marketing strategy and generate more leads. Not only is it looking at how well the website is for bringing in leads, but also how the website will capture those leads. In the end, you'll get an in-depth report that details actionable recommendations based on inbound best practices. Competitor analysis. How do you stack up among your competition? If you're a busy marketer, a competitor analysis is probably on your list, but a task that keeps getting pushed further and further down your never-ending to-do list. But to be better than the competition, you need to know them. Leverage our competitive analysis to get an in-depth look at your competitor's digital presence, and you'll get a detailed report of our research and recommendations for you to stand out among your competitors. Marketing and second opinion consulting. Need an extra set of eyes on your marketing plan? Not sure what's causing a dip in your traffic analytics? Need help strategizing your SEO efforts? That's where our marketing and second opinion consulting can help. Instead of executing the marketing strategy for you, we're here to help you strategize and provide feedback on your marketing. Our team can help with marketing and branding strategy, HubSpot, SEO, analytics, websites, and sales enablement. Get an extra set of hands with Hivehouse Digital. From audits to competitor analysis to second opinion consulting, we can help you check off your to-do list and help you understand your marketing better. With a quick one-time payment, our on-demand marketing services are the perfect way to get the help of a marketing agency with the flexibility of getting help when you need it. Check out the link in the description to learn more and get started.